In front of me is a BLUBOO S8, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app, and from here we're gonna scroll down to backup and reset, and then factory data reset. It gives you a message that performing this process will remove your Google account, system app data, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. And in other words, it removes everything that you have put on the device yourself, and only the Android operating system with all of its default apps will remain. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you don't want to keep anything, simply press reset phone. If you have some kind of pattern protection of your device, you will need to confirm it. Erase everything, and let's wait for the process to finish. Now this will take approximately a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.